हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। वेलकम टू हेलो कोलकाता के नए एपिसोड में। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लाइकिंग आवर पेज, बट प्लीज़ डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकॉन, तो हमारा और आपका कनेक्शन बना रहे। आज के एपिसोड में हम जो आपके लिए लाए हैं उसके लिए मैं थोड़ी सी हिंट आपको दे रही हूँ। इफ़ यू आर कूल इट विल मेक यू वार्म, इफ़ यू आर heated it will make you cool, if you are depressed it will cheer you up, and if you are excited it will make you calm. Got it? I think और एक hint देना ही पड़ेगा. It's a very cheesy lines, but I wanted to say, in the world of Dalgona coffee you are my masala chai. Yeah, you are right, it's a chai episode and it's a newly opened restaurant opposite Forum Mall. It's Allenby Road, and we are came here to taste the teas and have a breakfast. I feel there is nothing quite like a freshly brewed tea to get you going in the morning, and the super breakfast. So let us check together. Good morning. You can see the interior is so beautiful and so cozy, and it's very beautiful to sit with your friends and have a cup of tea, or if you have a good partner to share it or to spend good time, you please come here. I'm so very impressed with this place and I'm eager to have a tea and a breakfast. So let's see what they are offering us and what we are asking to give us. I wanted to see the menu, so let's sit. Thank you. Cha Bar is the second outlet in Kolkata, spread across 900 square feet with the stylish design, ambience with regal black and white sleek interiors that makes the new outlet look fresh and luxurious at the same time. The new Cha Bar offers signature chai bar menu, includes more than 150 varieties of tea ranging from organic, herbal, bubble, Arabic, Chinese, Japanese, Moroccan, Russian and Sri Lankan, with a lot of exotic food menus. Cha Bar located at 8A ground floor, Allenby Road, Kolkata 20. It's opposite Forum Mall. Let's see क्या यहाँ पर मिलता है and what we decide to have it. Okay, excuse me. Yeah. One falafel with hummus and 3 cheese toasties and one cheese mint sandwich. एंड चाय में क्या आप लोग का सबसे अच्छा है यहाँ पर? आई थिंक कावा इज़ गुड. लव दिस प्रेजेंटेशन. फील्स लाइक दैट हम अरब में कहीं आ गए, दुबई में घूमने गए. टू गुड. There is almonds inside. I think so. I'm putting some brown sugar. I love this. So beautiful. Wow. It's like a freshly तरो ताज़ा हो जाएंगे. मतलब आई एम नॉट डिनाइंग दैट आई एम टी लवर, बट ऐसे मैंने कलकत्ता में ली. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे हम लोग कश्मीर या अरब देश में कहीं आ गए और कहवा पी रहे हैं और इट्स आलमंड एंड इट्स टू गुड. द फ्लेवर इज़ वेरी गुड. I'm having cheese chili toast. Let's have it. ये तो बहुत बार खा चुके हैं. Let's see. मेरी तो सुबह बन गई. This is Japanese matcha. Okay. This is called Japanese matcha, and the catty you can see. It is something you can enjoy to see only. और पीने का मन तो होगा ही नहीं. जैसे देखते रहे ऐसा मैंने देखा ही नहीं है. Wow, see? It's different. It's beautiful. खास ऐसे चाहे वो सुबह घर पे मिल जाए. Now let's have it all. ठीक है, बनी हुई है. इसमें आई थिंक डोंट नीड टू पुट शुगर. हाँ, शुगर डालने का. ये मिंट का टेस्ट आ रहा है कुछ डिफरेंट सा. लेट मी टेस्ट वन मोर टाइम एंड आई विल रिव्यू. समथिंग डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दिस, सो यू कैन ट्राई. अगर आप दोस्तों के साथ बैठे हो तो 3-4 कप ऐसे मंगवा लो, 3-4 कैटल और हैव इट. Tempting and can't wait to have this sandwich. This is cheese mint sandwich. This is cheese mint sandwich and let me taste. क्या खाओ क्या क्यों मेरे को पता नहीं चल रहा. तो I call my friend who is recording this, so we both can enjoy this. I can't eat alone. Crunchy and tasty, and this pita bread is really soft and melting in the mouth, and the sauce is also very good. This hummus is also actually hummus. We are here with Mr. Abhijit Gupta, who is head of the business department of Chai Bar. So as we have tasted, it's very nice, but we wanted to know a little bit more about the Chai Bar. So will you please brief us a little more?
From the name itself, you can identify it's a bar with chai. We are having about more than 150 varieties of tea all around the world.
Okay.
So, and most importantly, the serving procedure which we are maintaining, it's absolutely great. You won't find it anywhere. Our cultural teas are one of the best served in the city. Yeah. So other than teas, we are having a lot of food varieties. As you have seen, we are having sandwiches, pasta, pizzas. Along with that, some finger foods also, fried products, bakery. So lots of variety.
Lots of, yeah, that too we have tasted because we came earlier. So हम लोग चलो पहले breakfast कर लेते हैं. Then we'll take and talk to Mr. Sir. So it's reopened last Saturday. So how was the footfall here and?
Yeah, it's day by day growing up.
So thank you so much, sir,
Thank
and
you.
nice talking to you.
Same here.
And
have a great day.
We are actually looking forward to come again and have a tea with
please.
you also.
Yeah,
Thank
please,
you.
thank you. Thank you.
So friends, we are winding up our journey with Chai Bar, and it's really a good experience and looking forward to come more often after shopping in Forum because it's the tea is really refreshing and ताजगी भरा एहसास था. I can say this. So please come here. It's a big thumbs up from my side, and just come and taste all the different types of tea where you won't be getting in Calcutta. So this is the place to come and chill. Thank you.